Welcome to our MSI Motherboard Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi and the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk. We'll examine their specifications, performance, and user feedback to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a budget-conscious builder or looking for the latest technology, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi is priced at $119, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to build a system without breaking the bank. In contrast, the MAG B650 Tomahawk comes in at $219, reflecting its advanced features and support for newer technologies. If you're on a tight budget, the B550M is a solid choice. But if you want the latest and greatest, the Tomahawk is worth the investment. Next, let's talk about performance. The B550M PRO-VDH supports AMD Ryzen 5000 series processors and features dual-channel DDR4 memory, which is great for mid-range builds. However, the MAG B650 Tomahawk supports the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors and DDR5 memory, offering superior performance and future-proofing for high-end gaming and content creation. If you're looking for a motherboard that can handle demanding tasks, the Tomahawk is the clear winner. Finally, let's compare connectivity options. The B550M PRO-VDH offers solid features with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but its integrated Wi-Fi can be slow. On the other hand, the MAG B650 Tomahawk boasts Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, providing faster and more reliable connections. Additionally, it includes a 2.5 gigabits per second LAN port for high-speed wired networking. For gamers and content creators who rely on fast connectivity, the Tomahawk provides a significant advantage. In conclusion, both the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi and the MAG B650 Tomahawk have their strengths. The B550M is an excellent choice for budget-conscious builders, while the Tomahawk offers cutting-edge features for those willing to invest more. Consider your needs and budget carefully before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.